Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are on the stage of the last lessons of the Next.js course series, right? We're very happy to explain the last lessons, right? Today we're gonna explore some topics like JSON server setup and caching data, data cache, what is advantages and disadvantages of that topic, and opting out caching. We're also gonna be controlling the caching, right? In the data fetching. In the last lesson, we will delve into the request minimization and time-based data validation and client-side fetching tends to take a little bit about it, right? Okay. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what is JSON server setup? I would recommend you to search for the Google and find the JSON server on npm.npmjs.com, right? It's a package, very popular package to control our products. To control our endpoints, by the way, right? It's very helpful. Uh, how we can do this, how we can use it in our project. You can see right here in our project, we last time we just created some kind of applications or something like that, right? Let's see. Let me run npm run dev, our project, not using PowerShell, but git bash because it's preferable and it's optimal and powerful to use it, right? npm run dev here. Oh, something went wrong. Let me do that. We're gonna take an example of products because it's very easy and also uh, just a great example for beginners, right? In the products. In use cases, in a lot of use cases, you can use it and you can face it, right? Okay, sounds great. Only the products and page.t6, not other passing or other taking the examples. Let me open it up. Localhost 3000. It's opening. Yeah, it's very slow because of that. We have some warnings and errors. Don't worry about them, right? It's just an example, not whole project, right? Okay, sounds great. We also created the products page, but before moving on, we're gonna install the npm install JSON server, right? Let me copy that and split it up, git bash, and pass it here. Pass it npm. We need to install JSON server. Let me tell you a little bit about it. What is JSON server? JSON server is like controller to to manage our endpoints, API endpoints like Node.js and Express.js like this, right? We have the it helps us to build or to create the local server development, right? In the development process, like this, for example, right? It's not easy. It's just to take an example in Next.js applications. A lot of developers not taking so much time to create a REST API. A lot of developers prefer JSON server uh, because it helps us build you know not changing or not updating API requests or API product. Data points, right? Uh, it JSON server is the best way to learn that and to use it. Okay, we installed it already. You can see right here in the package JSON, it's already installed. And we need to create, but first one, we need to go to the here because it's a stable version of the JSON server. You can see right here, just an example, or blah, blah, blah. But below that, uh, we need to we need to install JSON server, this one, not install the first one, right? Uh, let me the uninstall because and it's a JSON server. It's the latest version, not the first one version. Uh, I'm not make sure that is stable or not, right? Okay, not installed, but reinstall globally JSON server 0.17 the version, right? Okay, and like this, after installing the package, after this one, uh, we need to we need we we come back to root folder and create db.json file, db.json, right? And inside of db.json, we need to put some our API endpoint. I mean, request API request data points, right? Let me the generate by EI, uh, like generate generate e mm, products e products JSON with ID, title, uh, price, and description, right? Uh, like three products. It's generating the products in the JSON folder. We're not gonna uh we're not gonna from the scratch from the zero we build because it's test just a text, and let me copy that and pass it here. DB.json is usually like this, products like this, and wrapping the array, and also the wrapping the uh, square roots, right? Okay, sounds great. It's working. By the way, that makes sense for you, right? It's a DB.json. It's our database, and how we can run it. But before moving on, we need to create server.js. It's our local server, right? We need to copy this code statement here, server.js. Let me copy that and pass it here, but you know, not 3000, but 3001, because by default, Next.js is running on the 3000, right? We need to update this 3001. But we have a problem, I think. JSON server is not, is forbidden, is forbidden. Okay, no problem. It's a TypeScript and um, you know, it's our our module type is requirement. I mean, common JS, not uh, new module, right? No problem. I think it's not interrupt our code, not to break our code down here. Okay, no problem. Yeah, that's it. And we need to node server.js, just run our code on server. Oh, something went wrong. Not this on server updating here. Okay, no problem. Import this on server like this. Maybe it's working. Should be working. No. Um, okay. Is the server that is not specified in the plus common JS. It's a type module. Element is running at the type module. Okay. Let me add package JSON type module here. Maybe it would be working. I don't know exactly. It's working. Um, JSON server not found. Why? Uh, dev dependency. No, not found. Not finding here. Ah, simple like this. Maybe let me pass it here. JSON server is a dev dependency because we're gonna use it in our local server, right? In our local development process. Okay. Uh, it's installing, but it takes so long time. Okay, no problem. But you know, what we'll do here, JSON server is a create endpoint and also router. What does it mean? Router is just taking the IP request products uh, directly, right? And taking the database and JSON JSON format and pass it here in the middleware and listen on the server, right? And not no not working. Product server.js not working. I don't know exactly what happens here. Okay, no problem. Watch db JSON, but we installed it already. Not working. I don't know. Hmm. What the problem is here? The dependency. JSON server installed already. Ah, okay. Maybe JSON server importing like this. Ah, no, not really. It's a legacy code, I think. It's a problem like this. Uh, server.js. Uh, const JSON server not working. Why it's a problem? Hmm. Maybe we need to update the not module, but common maybe common JS. Oh, npm run dev. Um, it affects a huge impact like this. It's a problem. Common JS is not supporting the Next.js application. Okay, no problem. We need to, oh, sorry. We need to remove it. Pipe, yes, and npm run dev. Should work. Should work because we updated package JSON. Yeah, it's working. No problem. But we have a routing problem. Server.js. I don't know exactly why it's not working. Okay. Let me chat it out here. Why JSON server is not working? Okay. There could be several reasons for that issue. This to install it correctly. Server.js maybe. Server. Let me go here. Yeah, not server or not server.js. Okay. No, not working. Okay, no problem. We need to fix it. You know, a programmer or developer always with the errors and warnings, right? Pick that. Pick that. Install some server, but I already installed it. Why it's not working? Let me look at the packages on some server. Install it again and packages on listed. Yeah, already installed it. I think some server. Yeah, it's here. But Not working here. Hmm. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna copy that. No, not working. Okay, no problem, but we need to uninstall uninstall JSON server. JSON server. It's removed. Uh, we we need to install like this JSON server. It's stabilizing. If it's not working, we need to approach another way, right? We need to use it another approach like this. Oh, sorry. I need to run the code, not servers. No, cannot find this on server. Why? Okay, the viewing part. Example changes after express. Background terminal. Not defined. Okay. Type module. Hmm. Okay. But I already installed it. I don't know exactly what is it. What kind of error here? Not working. Some server setup. It should be working, but I don't know. What the hell going on here? Okay. Oh, it takes a long time.